Hey, what's up? Welcome back. We're going to do something a little different here. We are definitely going to do it one time for the culture. So let's dive right into it. Let's go. Pretty much gonna learn a little bit about the drums, the market of drums in Adjarra, Benin. Adjarra is pretty much like another section of Portonovo, so this is pretty interesting to me. This is something that I've never really experienced before, and I really like, what's going on here. Essentially, Isaac is going to carve the woodlog with something that looks like a curved hatchet, so to speak. So this is going to be done all by hand, no machine. So this is how to start the carving of the wood log, so to speak. So this is pretty much how you carve it. Next is with a metal pole with a sharp edge to it. All handmade, all hand operated, no machine. Just the man in the car. Oh, okay. Just carving it. I think I'm gonna take a stab at it, don't you think? Okay. Yeah, I should take a stab at it. Yeah, that actually did not work too well. I think that we should just leave it up to the professionals to get this done. So he saw that I was struggling, so he came to the rescue. So what he just did is just chop like the edge of the drum. Looks like small wooden pieces. And one thing that just amazed me is just how like he just like grabs stuff and just like do it like kind of like a matter-of-factly type way. Okay, final step will be to put the chopped pieces of wood and add the sheepskin and shave it off. Okay, enough talk. Let's just give it a shot at banging the drums and see if that works for me. Do you think I can do good with the drums? Let's check it out. Also the basics. So basics are... So what will be the basics? Okay. Oh, do re mi. Yeah. Okay, so... Okay, so after this poor attempt of banging the drums, let's head to the Adjarra market. This is a market of drums. They have all kinds of like music instruments. The Adjarra market is full of drums and musical instruments, and you can purchase a drum and they're going to personalize it with your name on it. Handmade, handcrafted. Okay, next we're going to head to the blacksmith and see how he forges metal instruments. Right now we are at it looks like a blacksmith, and what they do is they do pretty much the carving of the crafting of the musical instrument, that musical instrument right here. So the blacksmith had to put a shirt on before we could actually record him, so he wanted it to look good. So yeah, the blacksmith is right here. Could I point out that he has no protection, no eyewear, none of that kind of stuff. He's just like pulling the coal and then getting to work. Okay, so let's take a quick stroll to Nigeria since we are close to the Nigerian border. You can actually see the city of Ijofen, Nigeria from here. Now the art center of Midijonu. I was not prepared for what was about to come. Check it out. Midijonu is pretty much like a kid's performance art, and we're about to check out the kids just like banging the drums like there's no tomorrow. This is gonna be awesome. So let's dive right into it. Let's go.
Bonsoir, ici nous sommes au centre d'état et métier de Benin. Nous sommes à la répétition de la troupe de danse de percussion Petit'arts. Ça du Benin, c'est une troupe d'enfants de 5 à 20 ans.
Big thanks to Michelle, he is the director of the group, and here's his Instagram information. Okay, so big thanks to Isaac for sending this up. Here's his Facebook and his WhatsApp information.
Bami Boy Adjarra is my name from Nigeria. University, Dramatic Arts to be precise.
Thanks to Mr. Adewale, he was my drum instructor, even though I'm not that very good at drums. And here is his Instagram information. Thank you for taking out this video. I am Jeff with SSS Drones. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And yeah, I work hard for this video, so I'm glad that you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I am Jeff with